Good morning to all of you. From here in the Philippines, good morning. Thank you so much once again. Happy Sabbath day to all of you. Especially to all the 70 Adventist people in around the world for almost 27 million plus. So thank you so much. Just taking coffee first that we are rendering a sentinel type of duty right now. No, thank you so much that my wife, happy Sabbath day to my wife, to Honorable Judge Jimmy Bistuli Boko Alcoholist family, to my sisters and brothers, my mama, papa, and then my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and father-in-law. Happy Sabbath day to all of you, to all my nephews. No, mga kaibigan, thank you so much that my wife right now she's the one to go to the church because I am here to render duty here, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much to all of you, especially that we are believing in Jesus Christ in the second coming. So thank you so much, mga kaibigan, that way that we are believing and faithfully be loyal to the commandments of the universe, which is the divine creations. So thank you so much about that, the one who believe in that, mga kaibigan. Especially that God's will provide everything of this universe. That we are in this universe by the virtue and the power of God. It's not ours. So just to understand, just to believe that the God will provide us everything on this world. So either there is a hindrance in our lives, so we need to understand that God's will focus on the problems, the trials in our lives, that to be completed, a complete lessons of our life, a complete assurance of our life, mga kaibigan, that this world is not easy to believe. So that's why just to understand what is the purpose of his life and what is our doing, or what is our responsibilities and duties here as a steward of the divine creations, the beautiful creations of God. Just to be understand that life is not easy by doing a good things in this life, because bad people out there will get angry with you, with getting angry with us if we are doing a good things in our life. So that's why just to understand first that the God is not all about the things bad or good, but it is a balance of this universe in the ecosystem, that in the highly civilizations of humanity of this universe, that the man is become evil, that the man's thinker or the think of the mind has become evilous because of the money was created by man, or make the man of this money to the whole world moving, or there is immobility because of the money was created by a man. So that's why there is a lot of trials and problems to be fixed and to be answered, everything on this life, that is others getting suicides and everything. So that's why just to understand first what is the purpose of your life and with us into the higher, which is our God. In the highly civilized, or the highly civilized of the humanity in this universe, just to understand that we are serving in the government. Why God is creating a government? So that's why we shall to remain and be loyal in our constitution here in the Philippines, not only here in the Philippines, but also around the world. I am just asking all the Filipino people who are in the incoming of the national and local elections, that to be peacefully and good mannerly as sisterhood and brotherhoodly, that we are asking on that the peaceful and the good manner of the elections, because power is can be left behind on this universe. if we die to on that future. So that's why mga kaibigan, we need to understand this life. I am here not to reiterate some things that I am expert, but I am not an expert here. So thank you so much.